Hello everyone! Today I will show you a few tips and ideas on how to set up a candlelight dinner at your home. Step 1. Remove the extra chairs and create table for two. Step 2. Dress up the table with a tablecloth. This helps to add a nice soft texture to your table decor. Step 3. To create the Valentine's Day mood, I will start by using these powder pink plates on the table. Step 4. To add a bit of romance, we can create this cute napkin holder made of flowers. Step 5. We will also add these heart cutouts. Then we need a nice set of candles. Here I suggest to use candlesticks and tea lights around. No romantic dinner can be completed without a beautiful flower bouquet. We can also create a centerpiece by using a golden tray with fresh rose petals for an extra touch of romance. Step 6. Make it personal with romantic note. For the final touch, add heart-shaped appetizers to your menu and light up the candles.